Welcome back to our show. And today we have in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. Before the break, we were discussing about your mails regarding Feng Shui. Okay, Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail. And with King Lady, and with all of my effort, I could buy a home by taking a loan from my company and bank. I am going through many problems. Well, to be precise, there is a lamp pole which is in front of my main door. Does it cause bad luck? Can you suggest a cure to dismiss my fear, please?
Dear Amita, the main entrance of the home or the house through which all the good energies and good luck enters, there should be no obstruction on the main entrance or near the front of the main door, either inside or outside, both. So, well, you have asked about that you have a pole, lamp pole outside. Well, before this, any kind of obstacle near the main door could result in all the good luck turning into bad. And in your mail, you did not mention that how close this lamp post or this lamp pole is to your main door. How many far it is, how much far it is from your main door. If it is located across the street, then you need not to worry, you are quite safe, Amita. And if it is obstructing while you are entering, then you need to think and go for the remedies. So, you need to take an expert advice. The right thing is that, but for the time being, you can place a convex mirror on the main door, not on the main door, on the up of the main door, where the lamp pole reflects into the convex mirror. So, you can go ahead with this remedy, and you know, the problem will be
Sort out, definitely.
So, and any type of obstruction in front of your main door, it may be a pole, it may be a fitter pillar, or it may be a telephone pillar, pole. Any type of this obstruction should not be in the main entrance or the main door of your home.
And definitely it's creating a negative energy towards your home.
Yes,
in your life.
and as she is very much tensed just because she took this home with all her loans and from banks and from the company. Yeah, she have
she has lot of effort.
Yes, lot of efforts for buying a home, just because buying home is not a joke. So, you need to do this remedy and take an expert advice, and it will be much better than you are now.
Here we take a short break, but you don't go anywhere. Keep watching Vastu, Harmony and You. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers: 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these numbers: 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: patrarupa@yahoo.com, patrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.